Hi folks, how are you? Just a little thing on how to actually pull your headlights apart on your Rover 75. It's taken me a little while to actually get around to having the guts to actually do this, but it worked quite well. This is the primary the before, that's what I was looking for. The before setup. This is what it's like when you actually take it out of the car. Now, do you actually take the front off like this bit here? You've got these little clips here. You can see them there and there. This did have some there and there, but they don't have that one anymore. They're a bit brittle and they can snap off fairly easily. But there's plenty of adhesive to actually keep the headlights out of place. So what you've got to do is actually just unclip those and just get a flat blade screwdriver, just push it into there, find a spot where you can actually get that in there and just lever it up. And you slowly just work your way around it, just a little bit at a time, and finally it just pops off. You can see the residue of the adhesive sealant all the way around there. So okay, and then you've actually got the reflectors that actually just sit in the side of there. Now sometimes if you actually drop the light, which I know you're not supposed to, but it does happen, this will float loose. It will come unstuck. You can see it's only held on by 3 points, there and up there, and you can see the points there, and up there. They just clip in. So if you just put a little bit of something like a light grease on them, something like I tend to use rubber grease for most of these sort of things, you can actually just clip them off and just clip them back on. Now if you notice in the wiring on the inside of this is actually very rough due to the heat and the crappy wire that they actually use initially. So all the insulation actually tends to break down. Now I found that the easiest way to do that, fix that, is to actually, if you go at the back where the plugs coming from the external, if you twist them, they do come out, but they go backwards. And you can actually take that out and resolder, put new wires in. This one, you can undo this one. This is held in by special vandal-proof clips. So you've got to have a specialist bit for that, so you might be able to just get around it. As you can see, I shake a bit. It's not due to the large amount of drink I have. It's caused by Parkinson's. So once you redo your wiring, clip that back in, clip this back in, clip that back on, put a bit of adhesive. I'd use a silicone. My favourite silicone is a Sally's All Clear, which actually doesn't really set, so it stays a bit malleable. Okay, and it takes a little while, but it's well worth it in the long run. Okay, and